I just want to go through the basic operation. This camshaft tool is simply built to pick up this part, allows us to rotate it in the jaw so we can insert it the correct orientation for assembly. So we'll come on here, we have a 2-button interlocking grip. Pick this up, and now as you can see, you can spin this in the jaws to align it for insertion. We have an anti-drop circuit on there. If I hit both buttons at the same time, still not releasing it in midair. Also, the nice feature is you can put this in float mode, and we can, position this thing up and down just by grabbing the actual shaft itself. So you can grab the shaft and maneuver it. One last thing is on a Gorbel Easy Arm. So the arm is really easy to maneuver within a work cell. It's an articulated arm. Maybe takes a few pounds of force to maneuver this around. As you can see, the hoist is back on the column. It takes all the weight off the end of the arm, so it makes this thing really easy to maneuver into position. And that is the basic operation of this tool. For any other questions, please give us a call or visit us at ergonomicpartners.com. Thank you.